Hey guys, Colin here. Wanted to bring this little tutorial to you. A lot of you have been asking me some questions about cryptocurrency as well. Not just in Forex trading, but I'm also into cryptocurrency trading now as well. So I'm doing really great over here in this avenue since I've taken it on, applying a lot of the same skills and a lot of the same technical analysis that I use in Forex. I'm using it over here in cryptocurrency as well. Doing really good with it. So here's an example of how to actually use HitBTC Exchange. Okay, so go ahead and click on the link below this video. That's my referral link, and yeah, I appreciate you using my link. I'm bringing some content for you, so I hope this is of value to you as well. So once you go ahead and create your account on HitBTC, here are the most important things that you need to know. When you log in, you're going to see this interface. It'll be some kind of currency pair. In this case, this is something called Hello Gold. Okay, Hello Gold and Ethereum. Okay, now over here you have your base trading markets. Okay, so for example, if Bitcoin is your base currency, you click on that. If you want to trade with Ethereum. So usually what I would advise you to do is I don't really send Bitcoin anymore over to different exchanges because it simply takes too long and it's too expensive. Of course, as we know, Bitcoin is basically like digital gold, so it'll be used more as a store value, okay? But when you need to move money quickly, I use either Ethereum or Litecoin. So in this case, I've used some Ethereum and I've sent it over here, right? But here are the basic elements. This is your Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is your base currency, and if there's a particular currency that you're looking for, you can type it here in the search box. So in this case, if I was looking for HGT, right, I type that in. We actually see here HGT is not popping up, which means it's not available on the Bitcoin trading market in HitBTC. So I click on Ethereum and there it is. Okay, so I can actually trade with Hello Gold, HGT and Ethereum here. Okay, USD Tether, ICO. So these are the base exchange currencies. Okay, and all you have to do once you know the symbol for the coin that you're looking for, you simply type that in up here and it will find it for you. Okay, and once you click on that, then over here you'll see the option to buy or sell that particular currency that you're looking to trade. Okay, so you have a couple of things here. One is you have these two most important. Market simply means that if you don't want to wait, if you urgently want to get a currency and you want it now, you're willing to take whatever sell price is available right now, you go to market. Okay, so you would select market and then you would choose how much of your Ethereum you want to spend. So in this case, if I click on it, it says, I'm basically saying I want to spend everything right now, give me as much HGT as possible. And it automatically calculates it for you. It'll give me 300, okay, and it shows me the cost minus the fee, etc. And I click buy market, I will immediately get that 300 HGT, okay. But in this case, as I'm looking over here on this chart and just did a little bit of analysis, I expect this to come down a little bit more to at least 200. And so if you have a certain price that you already have in mind that you want to actually buy it at, that's where you go to what's called the limit section. Okay, limit means I want to actually set my price. Now if you have a particular price in mind that you want to buy or sell something, you use the limit option. Okay, so in here in limit I can say, look, I don't want to actually buy any of this coin until it reaches the price that I want, that I'm willing to spend on it, which is at 200. Okay, so down here you see 0.000 200 Satoshis. Okay, that's basically what that is. So I would come in here under limit, I would say what my price is, so I would go ahead and change it, I put 200, and then I can state how much I actually want to buy. If I have a particular amount that I want to buy, I can specify right there. Otherwise, if not, I can click on once again my total, and it'll say, hey, at this price you can get 700 HGT. Okay, sorry. Right, so it automatically calculates that for you as well. So that's how you buy, and it's the very same thing over here if you want to sell. So once you've purchased that HGT, then you can actually specify then, okay, I want to sell X amount. Either I want to sell it right now at the market price, or I have a certain price that I want to sell it at, and you go ahead and you set that price and how much of your HGT you want to actually sell. So that's how you buy and sell, okay? Now, one thing is very important. Before you get to this point that you want to trade, you obviously need to deposit some crypto, right? So you click over here on the deposit button. Now it's going to bring you here to where all of your balances are, okay? Excuse me, I'm just waiting for this thing to finish loading. So I deposited Ethereum and Dash into my main accounts. Now, if I want to send it over so that I can begin trading for other currencies or other coins, I want to put it into my trading account. So you simply want to click on this transfer arrow here that's pointing towards the trading account. Click on that. Then you state how much do you want to transfer. In this case, I'm saying I want to transfer everything. Transfer it over. Okay? And it's going to send it from here, as you can see, over into my trading account. Okay, and now that I'm ready to actually trade, I go here to where it says go to trading. So you deposit into your main account by coming here and then clicking on the deposit button. Okay, click on the deposit button. Let's say in this case Dash. It'll give you the address that you need to send it to. Okay, and you just check back a little bit later, depending on what currency you're sending over. And once you see it there, it's in your main account. So from here, then you want to send it over to your trading account. And after it's in your trading account, now you can trade for other currencies. So I'll go over here to where it says go to trading, because I have my Ethereum ready for trading. Okay, so step one, you go to deposit, you select the wallet or the currency that you want to transfer over. Right, you hit the deposit button, you type in the address, you send it over. Okay, Nala, can you give me a second, please? Daddy's doing a video.
Okay, I want to use.
Okay, go ahead and get it. Close the door. Close the door. Okay. All right. Okay, so from here now, here's the platform once again. I have Ethereum selected. I know what I want to purchase, so I'll say HGT in this case. And once I choose that currency pair,
But juice is finished.
okay, I'll be there soon to mix some. Okay.
Okay.
All right, great.
Just a little bit.
Okay, thank you. All right, so Daddy duty never stops, guys. Okay, so I'm just trying to do this video real quick for you guys. All right. So I have the currency pair selected. I click on that, and as you can see now, this chart is up. I can see HGT, Ethereum. I know the price that I want to buy it at. Okay, so I'll say, okay, HGT. I want to buy it at 200 in this case. So I'll come over here to limit. I will say price 0.000200. Okay. Amount, I want to buy as much of it as I can, so it tells me I can get 700 HGT. So I'm going to go ahead and click on buy limit. So it's now placed it down here. You see where it says my orders and trades. So it's letting me know this is my active order. Okay, I can look here for orders that have been filled or canceled. So it's basically my order history as well as my trades. Okay, so all of that information is right down here. If I want for some reason to cancel this trade, I just click on cancel, and then it would return my Ethereum, and I could go and trade for another coin, or I could set a new price. Okay, so all of that happens right down here. Over here you can see the order book, so you can actually see what people actually are willing to buy and sell HGT for right here. And it always starts with the best available price at the top. So for the people buying, it'll basically say, hey, here's the highest price somebody's willing to pay in case you want to sell your HGT. And if you are buying, you need to look over at the sell orders, and as you can say, here is the best price that someone's willing to sell HGT at. Okay, so that's the cheapest price you can get. and over here, in terms of people that that want to buy, this is the highest somebody's willing to pay. Okay, so that's how that works. That's how it correlates over there. Okay, guys, so that is the main thing when it comes to HitBTC. Go ahead and create your account. I'd appreciate it if you use my link. Deposit the funds that you want. It comes into your main account. Then you transfer it to your trading account, which brings you here. Select the currency that you want. Go ahead and make your trade, whether that be a market, means you want to trade right away, or a limit, which means you have a specific price that you want to buy or sell at. Set that order, and then that's it. What I normally do, if I've done a limit order, I will go into my Blockfolio app and I will add that coin onto my portfolio. And then I will set an alert so that it actually will tell me. I don't have to be looking at the computer the entire time. It's going to notify me on my phone, hey, HGT is now below 250. So I know, okay, it's coming close to my order price. If I want to go in and check it then, I can do that. So that's, just a little tip there for you. Whenever you set limit orders, it's good for you to actually set alerts on Blockfolio, so that's a way of actually keeping track of what's happening without you having to sit in front of the computer for hours. Okay, folks, until next time, take care.